Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I got some mail. I want to talk a bit about gold and silver, and yeah, if you like fun videos on gold and silver, please like, share, subscribe. I do upload videos basically every single morning. So be sure to hit that bell button if you do want the regular content. Also be sure to enter the 3050 giveaway. Link is going to be in the description below. So go check that out. Go there, like, leave a comment, subscribe. And yeah, you could win this hockey maple right here. 2010 Olympic hockey maple. Ounce of silver. Who doesn't like a free ounce of silver? Gonna have the 500 coming up after that. But yeah, so we're starting to get a nice bounce back in gold and silver. And is it just a coincidence that we're also having a decline in the dollar rate basically at the same time? That's just kind of what gold especially is really drives the price. It's all about the dollar. The more the dollar falls, the more gold goes up. So that's just generally how it works. It's used as a hedge against the dollar. But yeah, I don't really think more into that other than into gold other than using it as a hedge against a declining dollar. Silver, there's a bit more going on at play, I find. There is the hedging yourself off the dollar aspect, and then there's also the industrial demand aspect. And I find the industrial demand tends to outstrip the investor drive. That's why premiums go up so much on any kind of eagle or anything like that, any maple. And you'd still find other silver at spot though. If you like silver shot, you can find it basically spot price. When you could find it, I should say. And silver, the industrial demand, that is what I find is really what I'm going for personally when I'm stacking things like maples, philharmonics. It's really, I'm kind of going more for the industrial demand. I also do like to play the ratio game, as in trading silver for gold when the ratio tightens, or if the ratio's crazy high, trading gold for silver. Use that as a way to widen my stack. But yeah, with all this basically with all this talk about green energy, when I see the declining mining numbers when it comes to silver, the declining supply, growing demand, that's our recipe for prices to go up. That's just kind of how I look at it. There's a few other things that I do want to invest in. There's only so much commodities to go around. It costs so much to get those commodities that's got to go up with inflation. That's why I find base metals could be a good way to do that. That's also partly why I'm looking into Rio Tinto. It's a bit overvalued right now. It's not really a gold silver play, but I want to do a shout out for Great White Northerner here. Pretty smart and give me some good advice when it comes to all of this. Had a good conversation with him the other day. And yeah, I'm starting to think a bit outside the box here on how I'm going to be playing the green energy game. I'm coming up with a few ideas that I'm looking to share with you guys, but I don't want to share them until I really hatch them out like a solid plan when it comes to it. I know it's doable though. I really want to make some money as well as store wealth in the gold. I do want to still keep buying gold though, because I see a lot of inflation coming. We see the declining dollar when it comes to trade in the Forex. We see declining value of the dollar when it comes to the grocery store. I also want to stack a lot of gold too though. Maybe a bit more than most people. Just because kind of where I live has a big part of that. I don't have a whole lot of confidence in the Canadian dollar myself. I could see it falling a lot when your country doesn't have a budget and they're running record deficits. We're almost at the point that we were at in the 90s when we couldn't afford healthcare and had to scroll back our healthcare. We're almost at those levels of debt. That's why I'm stacking a gold a bit more than most people probably. I'm still stacking at that 100-to-1 ratio. So I'm putting a bit more cash to silver, but I am definitely not neglecting the gold right now. Just because this is my speculation in green energy and everything like that. Gold is my money. That's kind of how I see it. That's my bank account. In my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stacking advisor. I'm just a random guy on the internet sharing my journey on metals, sharing my thoughts on why I'm doing what I'm doing, what I plan on doing in the future. And yeah, I always enjoy hearing what you guys are doing. So I really want you guys to comment down below. I always appreciate it. We all learn and grow together when we do that. And yeah, speaking of that, please hit the like button if you haven't already, because we want these kind of videos to go up to more people, to get more people to do their own education, to look into things themselves, and hopefully start buying precious metals and helping us drive up those prices. It'll benefit us all. So, yeah, also subscribe too if you haven't subscribed already. Same reasons. Helps get this video out into the algorithms to everyone. But yeah, with our country not having Canada basically not having a budget, we are shutting down Parliament to hide the government spending. They claim they printed all this money for when they spent, I can't remember what it was, it's like $35 billion went to the CURB program and all of that. But they printed over $300 billion. Where's the rest of the money? Things like this, where's it all going? We don't have anything to show for it. We're printing record amounts of money. We claim it's all to do the best with the pandemic. We're last in line for the vaccines. The rate of payback on this government spending it's mind-boggling. I am having some trouble wrapping my mind around how people are kind of accepting this and are okay with Parliament being shut down. I'm not saying to me, not having a budget is crazy. The facts are that if there's no budget, they could spend as much as they want, they could print as much as they want. There's no real checks on it. There's basically free range spending. We're running record deficits. We're talking about how we're gonna completely redesign our entire economy. We're talking about, we have our Prime Minister talking about how we could be possibly having another election coming up here. So there's all kinds of instability up north. That's where I live. I'm kind of stacking gold, and I'm kind of focused a bit more on gold right now. Just because, well, in this video, not stacking wise, but just because it's my hedge against my government, basically. I don't wanna, against my monetary system, against any kind of instability in my land that could lead to monetary issues in any way, shape, or form. That's kind of why I stack gold. Silver, as I said, that's a bit more speculative, but I'm kind of more focused on the gold in this video just because I don't know what's exactly going to happen. I'm very bullish on the green energy metals, all the silver here and everything, but yeah, I am having less and less faith by the day that our currency will lose less than 10% value in 2021. I don't really think our currency is going to hold up too strong in the coming few years, so I'm stacking gold for that. Yeah, this is going to be in my 500 subscriber giveaway box, but yeah, it's kind of my thoughts. A bit on the difference between gold and silver, why I'm stacking each metal. I do like to diversify in them too. But yeah, I'd like to know all your thoughts down below. Why you guys stack silver, why you stack gold, why you might stack one or not the other, why you don't stack if you don't stack, or if you're thinking about starting, why you haven't started stacking yet. I'd like to know all the comments down below. And if you do have any questions, feel free to email me. I always enjoy that. That's also going to be in the description down below. And so let's get to the mail here. So this would be from a great member of the community, WildWest Stacker. So yeah, I wouldn't call him new to the community, he's been here for a while, but oh wow. Okay, so here is the sticker. Check that out. He does some pretty unique videos. Not really like anybody else in the stacking community. He did a video on his ATV the other day. That was pretty cool. He did manage to find 39's fine silver jewelry, which is pretty hard to find. Has a pretty unique stack. Films outside too, so yeah, it's a pretty unique channel. Something kind of different. Has a bit of unique flavor to it. I enjoy watching it. His link's gonna be in the description below. And the note says, MillennialStacker, thanks for the sticker trade, bro. Keep making vids. I enjoy the content. Have a good one, my friend. WildWest Stacker. Yeah, and I let him know that I got it, and it's kind of funny. Give me the big 4-inch. But, yeah, he got my sticker on the same day, so that's kind of cool. But, yeah, please like, share, subscribe. Stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.